I don't know how many working on my new home. We're getting ready to try to put the bathtub in. We've got the plumbing dry fitted underneath, and we're gonna cement this and see if we can make it work.
And I'm thinking, what the heck? Okay, you're gonna I'm gonna put the vent right here. And the vent's gonna go right there. You're gonna go from the tub to that vent. I'm gonna come up through the walls to the sink, and then out the top.
Got it. Beep, beep, beep. All right, I'm putting it on. Putting the P-trap on at the bottom of this one. 45.